conditioned trotters are lined up for tonight's second race, a field of 8. The run gate. At the off, Bonnie and Glide charges out from the center of the track. Giddy also left alertly. Rocky DeVee sprints out along the pylons. Royal Dazzler is off stride. Again, Royal Dazzler, the first-time starter, is on a break into that opening turn. Rocky DeVee and Jeff Smith, the favorite, quickly drives out for control. It's a gap of 4 to Bonnie and Glide, who came away in second. Giddy trots back in third. Platinum T is now off stride around that opening turn as they continue past the quarter, 30 and 3. Latoka tracks along the inside fourth in front of Fort Riley. Morgan's Majestic rides the cones in sixth. It is now off stride, so we're down to a field of 5 here. Up the backside is Morgan's Majestic, Royal Dazzler, and Platinum T have all made early breaks, so things certainly getting a bit easier here for Rocky DeVee, who continues unchallenged and uncontested towards the half. Bonnie and Glide, the 31-1 long shot, continues on in second in front of Giddy. Latoka now takes a look at the outside of fourth. Fort Riley continues to save ground as they trot past the half, just 1:01 and 1, and it's Rocky DeVee in his second career start, who continues on top as they trot onto the far turn. Bonnie and Glide going to have to pick it up in second as Giddy moves to the outside for Lunsford. Latoka is sent 3 wide from fourth. Fort Riley continues to save ground midway around the far turn. It's Rocky DeVee. His race to win or lose from here as Latoka is now off stride. And it's a Rocky DeVee who takes a 5-length lead past 3/4, 1:30 and 1. Giddy is a well clear in second. Fort Riley continues to save ground in third. They turn for home, and it's a Rocky DeVee who's just pouring it on. Giddy, the stick is out there as Lunsford chases her along in second. Fort Riley is going to manage third, but as they come down to the finish, this one all over. Rocky DeVee is long gone. Rocky DeVee wins it on the line in 1:58 and 4, 28 and 3 final quarter for Rocky DeVee. Giddy finished second. Fort Riley was third. And